Have you ever wanted to create that frozen, glass-like piano sound? The one that feels like an iceberg slowly drifting through silence, like this? This tutorial is all about frozen arpeggios, an improvisation style where both hands weave delicate patterns that sound cool, elegant and deeply atmospheric. We'll explore how to build these textures step by step. I see Soundscape, inspired by the Norse. Let's start with the right hand. The secret to the frozen sound lies in the shiftable arpeggio. A pattern, something simple but incredibly flexible. Here is the idea. We play a broken chord pattern that repeats, but instead of thinking in chords, think in shapes. You can slide this shape up or down to follow the harmony. This way your right hand moves like waves on ice. The same motion but over changing chords. It's predictable but never static. So, if you would like to go deeper into the emotional side of the sound, I've created a free guide that explores the foundations of emotional improvisation. It shows you how to shape feeling through tone, time and touch, how to create tension, release and atmosphere. The link is below in the description. Now let's turn to the left hand and see how its arpeggios carry the harmony and color. So we use D minor, A minor, F major and G major. Each arpeggio starts from the chord tones F, A, D, E, A, C, but to make the sound more open and frozen, we can gently add extensions. For example, the F minor chord at the G, the 9. And suddenly the harmony feels wider, colder, almost transparent. Or at the 4 to the G major. Or at the 4 and the 9 to the G major, like this. Try the same idea with other chords. A 9 here, a 6 there. These subtle colors keep the sound alive without ever feeling busy. Now, very important. Improvisation depends on reflex, not thought. You don't have time to calculate every note. So, learning patterns like these is very essential. When your left hand knows the movement instinctively, your mind is free to listen, to breathe and create music. And so on. Think of it like learning a language. When you are speaking, you don't think about every word, you just express yourself. The same goes for improvisation. The patterns are your vocabulary. The more patterns you know, the more fluently you can speak through music. So, practice your pattern and all variations. Now, let's bring everything together, left hand, right hand, and let's play around with the different chords, different patterns without thinking. And let's add some extra notes to bring icy color to the improvisation. Have a listen. This music isn't about speed or complexity. It's about stillness and texture. So, if this style inspired you, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more atmospheric piano tutorials, and don't forget to grab the free guide. The link is below. So, stay inspired and keep your music cool. I will talk to you soon.